Hello students, good afternoon. Today I am going to explain you equation of the straight line. So the equation of a straight line in slope intercept form. So let us take an equation. It is an x-axis, x o x dash, y o y dash, y-axis, intersects at a point origin o 0, 0. Now I will take a line L which intersects y-axis at 0, c. Let us take P x comma y is a point on the line. So this line L passes through point P x comma y which intersects the y-axis at 0, c. So such line is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. What is m here? M is slope of the line. What is c? C is y-intercept. C is y-intercept. So here m is nothing but slope of the line and c is equal to y-intercept. So we call this line is slope intercept form. We call this line as slope intercept form. Now equation of the line passing through the origin. Now as it is x-axis, x o x dash, y o y dash. So I will draw a line which passes through origin. So line L. So this line is passes through the origin. So there is no y-intercept. So this line is in the form of y is equal to mx. So there is no c. As c is 0, y is equal to mx. So what is this? It is equation of the line passing through the origin is in the form of y is equal to mx. It is second form of the line. Now equation of the line in intercept form. Now let us take x-axis, y-axis which intersects at origin. Now I will take a line which intersects x-axis and y-axis at different points. It intersects x-axis at a point a, 0 and y-axis at b 0, b. So this equation is the line equation is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So what is this? This is also a straight line in intercept form. Intercept form means it intersects x-axis at a, 0, y-axis it is 0, b. So this is the third form of the line. Now equation of the straight line in point slope form. Now let us take a line L which intersects x-axis, y-axis. Line L which intersects x-axis and y-axis at a point a, 0. Now let us take a point A, x1, y1 and it makes an angle theta with anti-clock direction with x-axis. Now the equation of the line in point slope form is in the form of y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the fourth form of the line. What is this? Equation of the straight line in point slope form. So this line passes through the point x1, y1 whose slope is m is in the form of y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now equation of the straight line 2-point form. Now let us take x-axis and y-axis which intersects at origin x o x dash, y o y dash. Now I will take a line L. Take a line L which passes through 2 points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. So the line which passes through 2 points in a plane is in the form of y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is given in your textbook like this, ma. x minus x1 into y1 minus y2 is equal to y minus y1 into x1 minus x2. You can write either like this or like this, no problem. Now we'll go to collinearity. The 3 points in a plane ax1 y1, bx2 y2, cx3 y3. So let us take 3 points a, b, c. So when these 3 points are said to be collinear is if the area of triangle is 0, then we can say the 3 points are collinear. So what is area of triangle? Half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Then we can say the 3 points ABC are collinear. So previously what I explained, I told you to find the distance between AB and distance between BC and distance between AC, which is greater, that is equal to sum of the remaining two. But now we can find by using this formula area of triangle equal to 0. That is the formula is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. If this is 0, we can say the 3 points ABC are collinear. You have to learn this formula. Now I will go to exercise 3a. Find slopes of the lines x plus y equal to 0 and x minus y equal to 0. So we know slope of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus a by b. It is nothing but minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Okay, by using this formula I'll find slope of x plus y equal to 0. Slope of the line x plus y equal to 0 is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So what is x coefficient here? X coefficient is 1 and y coefficient is also 1. So you'll get here minus 1 by 1. So it is nothing but slope of the line, first line m1 is equal to minus 1. Now I'll go to find slope of second line. So slope of x minus y equal to 0 is, so what is this? Minus x coefficient, minus x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is minus 1, minus x coefficient is 1 by y coefficient is minus 1. It is nothing but minus 1 by minus 1. It is nothing but 1. So slope of second line m2 is equal to 1. Dear students, I'll stop this class here. I'll continue the next class tomorrow. So I'll send these next continuation sums through WhatsApp. If you like, please like and share my class. Okay, ma.